What's up guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you 3 tips for outsourcing your SEO so you can save time and work on your business, not in it. So when it comes to SEO, my first tip is to make sure that you don't overcomplicate things, okay? Technical SEO is full of jargon, you can go into a deep rabbit hole, but really SEO is about 2 things, right? It's about more content and more links. If you're not getting the traffic that you want and you want better results, then just get more backlinks to your website and increase the amount of content on your site. Now step number 2 is to optimize for processes, not people, okay? So create SOPs for every single process you're outsourcing when it comes to SEO. Make sure that your team can't go wrong and make sure that you have a process in place that they can follow step by step so they don't get anything wrong and they optimize things the way you want them to be. And step number 3 is to make sure that you don't hire cheap. If you hire cheap, you hire twice. And when it comes to SEO, you can't afford to make this mistake, because if something goes wrong in your SEO, let's say you've got duplicate content on your site, it can literally cost you thousands of dollars. So be very careful about that.